Today, I would like to present the content-based instruction and task-based instruction. I would like you to answer the question. And yes, I will apply it in my classroom because it's a really productive process in which both teachers and students are actively all the time, and as a result, we have a production in useful and meaningful in different ways. So in this process, the students enjoy it, and also the teacher is better to control the class. We as a teacher just bring the material and expose the students to a meaningful situation in which the communicative competences and shared ideas are the best parts. Well, first of all, it's important to mention that both content-based instruction and task-based instruction have really similarities in a positive and negative way. So both work in a situation that are exposed to the students. The first one in content-based is about motivation. The students are engagement all the time, where the teacher's role is just like a guide in order to bring the materials, to bring the situation, maybe that the students need to solve a problem, applying the knowledge or their language. The second one is that the students are actively all the time. They participate in the student and teacher offers to them different opportunities in order to apply, in order to know what is this level. And the third one, I think that is most of important here, that is the critical thinking, because the students not just think about the structure or the things that they really need say it or write, they feel freely to express themselves. The fourth one is about real life applications, where, like I already said before, the students are exposed to many situations in which they need to know the knowledge in order to apply, in order to solve these problems. The fun factor is one of the most important because according to some studies, the brain works better when students are enjoying the learning teaching process, and it could be meaningful to them. And the last one is about the teacher, because the classroom management is really easier than the another methods because the behavior is better to be controlled here. Well, about the task-based instruction, some things are really similar like the last one. So here the students are actively all the time. They participate with a great motivation and engagement in order to have a better environment in which they can develop all the skills that they have. So it's important to mention here that also they work in a co-work participation, because they cooperate with each others in different groups, which they build all the knowledge according to the experience to others, sharing the another experience, and build just one knowledge with different points of view where they can apply it in the situations that they are exposed. So, and the last one is that this is one of the most important points, is the communicative competence, where they use the language in a meaningful and useful way. Well, the cons with the two instructions are really similar because they have some similarities one to them. So the first is that maybe this instruction emphasize too much in the task rather than meaningful expressions. So in the case of content-based, it could be that students can get confused all the time because they don't know when apply anything and why apply this knowledge. So it's important to have this point mentioned. So the second one is like it could be really difficult to teachers respond on materials, some content materials, some that